They're mowing the corn. He missed a piece. That's the sun in your eyes. There he goes. Look how much more he has. And he sure does kick up some dust, but there he is. It's not really that far. It just looks far. Like I could run up to him, but I'm in sock feet. Look at it! Look at it! Here we go. See it squirting out of the back? Oh well. Well, yeah, this is how close he is to our house. Like, see, literally, there's our driveway. Literally. There he goes. He's got to take it up there and dump it. See you later, alligator.